What if your body could tell you exactly where your stress is hiding, how your sleep is really impacting you, and whether your immune system is ready to protect you? That's exactly what a bioenergetic scan reveals. And today, we're going to pull back the curtain. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. This is part one of our series, Bioenergetic Scans and Emotional Awareness. In this first video, we'll explore what bioenergetic scans are, what they reveal about stress, sleep, and immune readiness, and how this information connects with your emotional health. In part two, we'll go deeper into how to use this awareness, translating scan insights into daily practices that can actually shift your health and longevity. So first, what is a bioenergetic scan? A bioenergetic scan is like a snapshot of your body's energy field. It uses subtle frequency technology to read patterns of stress, imbalance, and resilience. Think of it as listening to the music of your body. When something is off key, the scan picks it up before it becomes a major issue. In traditional Chinese medicine, this is very similar to reading the pulse or looking at the tongue. Subtle energy gives clues long before disease appears, most of the time. What scans reveal about stress? Stress isn't always visible. You might feel fine, but your body is in constant fight or flight mode. So the scans can show elevated stress responses in the nervous system, adrenal fatigue patterns, or even organ systems holding on to tension, like the liver or the gut. Emotionally, stress may show up as irritability, restlessness, or feeling tired but wired. This awareness helps you see, where does stress live in my body? So now let's talk about what scans reveal about sleep. Sleep quality is about more than just hours on a clock. This is where a scan can reveal whether your nervous system is entering into deep rest, if your body is struggling with nighttime repair, imbalances in melatonin, or circadian rhythms. Many women discover through scans that their body is never fully relaxing, even while asleep. So the emotional link here, unresolved stress or emotional weight. This often keeps the body from fully letting go. So what do your scans reveal about immune readiness? Your immune system isn't just about fighting colds. It's actually your resilience to all stressors in life. So in regards to this, scans can detect whether your immune system is overactive, putting you at risk for autoimmune, whether it's underperforming with frequent illnesses or slow recovery, and the energetic balance of lymphatic and gut systems. Emotional health is key here. Chronic boundary violations, grief, or suppressed anger can weaken immune readiness. In TCM, strong immunity comes from balanced Wei Qi, your protective life force. I think this is pretty obvious why it's important for longevity, but let's just cover it. Longevity isn't just about adding years. It's about adding quality to those years. A bioenergetic scan can show where your system is draining energy now so that you can course correct before it becomes a chronic issue. It connects physical symptoms with emotional awareness. And this helps you to see patterns that you've been carrying, often for decades. Here's the bonus I'll share in part two. Once you see your scan, you'll notice that emotions leave signatures on the body. I'll show you exactly how emotional patterns like fear, guilt, or people pleasing show up on scans and how you can begin to shift them. Your body is always speaking. Sometimes it whispers and sometimes it shouts. A bioenergetic scan simply helps you to listen sooner, with more clarity and compassion. Until next time, stay rooted, radiant, and beautifully balanced.